Okay, students, today we are learning long and short. Concept of long and short. Yes, Ans, show me your long chocolate. And where is your short? Very good. Yes, Mustaba, show me your long toy. It's long. Yes. And where is your short toy? It's short. Yes. Show me your Ali. Show me your long car. Long car. Very good. And where is your short car? Good. Yes. Where is your long train? Yes. Good. And where is your short toy? It's short bike. Very good. Yes. Show me your long straw. It's long. Where is your short straw? Bole short. Short. Yes. Where is your long leaf? Yeah, it's long. Where is your short leaf? Hadia, where is your long leaf? Yes. And where is your short leaf? Very good. Yes, you. Show me your long ribbon and show me your short ribbon. Very good. Yes. Show me your long leaf. Long leaf. Yes. Show me your short leaf. Yes. And you. Show me your long chocolate and small. Very good. Hi, Alina. Where is your long bottle? Where is your short bottle? Very good. Clap for all of you.